Hello guys, hello, my name is Elena, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do, or I'm gonna try to do glow in the dark effect on the sugar cookies. And I already have the cookies pre-made, so here's some designs here. And then I have a couple more trays that looks like that. So there's Vista logo for the party and the Vista name. And then I have smiley faces and the number cookies. And then I went on Amazon and I got this is Rolcam, and this is particular is lunar yellow color, so it looks like that, like a little powder. And this is supposed to be on the top of on the cap it says FDA number listed, so it's edible, it's suitable to put in the icings. Some people add it to the royal icing, and icing make things glow, so I don't need it so intense, but I just feel like just a little brushing here and there on details should give it a little pop of hopefully glow in the dark effect. All right, so I'm gonna try to turn the light off so you can kind of see what it looks like without so this is just in the dark, and I have black light flashlight so we can kind of see. So here's just regular cookies, so not much going on, but look how the light goes on the powder and it's like glowing in the dark. It just looks so cool. And here's some got on my finger. I don't know, can you tell? So like it's really glowy, like when my fingers got a little dirty. So you can see how the powder glows. So I'm pretty excited. So let's try. So first I just want to dip this, just take a dry brush. So I'm just gonna open the color first. Not make a mess. See how it like glows in the dark. All right, so what happens if I just take a dry brush, just dip it in the powder, and like on this cookie, just drop it. You can already see how it's glowing. Okay. So that looks pretty good as far as glowing part, but it's a little messy. So let's try to put a little Everclear and see how it looks with that. All right, so I just put a little bit on the cap right now just to try. All right, and I'm gonna use my black light, that way I can see better where my paint goes. And oh yeah, this looks so much better now. So when I tried with the just dry powder, it kind of got messy, so the powder went everywhere. This is more controlled. So yes, so this looks pretty good. All right, so let me go do my thing. Let me outline what I need to outline, and I'll show you guys the final result. under the black light. Look how cool. And now the eyes lid too. You can see all the detail. Alright guys, so here's the review of the Rolcam Glow in the Dark powder. I think it's a very good buy. So if you have a needs to do something glow in the dark, this is the colors to go. I definitely, if you do a lot of this kind of things, buy the collection, buy different colors and have lots of fun. Alright, I hope this video helps somebody. I hope you find it's useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye, love you so much. And here's my glow in the dark hands now with all the powder.